Simplify. 8x into brackets x minus 5 plus 10 into bracket 6 minus x. Solution. We have 8x into bracket x minus 5 plus 10 into bracket 6 minus x. Now the multiplier. The multiplier here is what? Is 8x. So the multiplier here will multiply the first term inside this bracket. 8x times x. That's 8x squared, because s times x is s squared. Now, this will also multiply this. That is, the multiplier will also multiply minus 5. Minus 5 times 8 will give us minus 40. That will be minus 40x. That is 8x times minus 5 will give us minus 40x. Now, we now have plus 10 times 6 plus 10 times 6. What are we going to have? We are going to have 60. This plus term also multiplied by minus x. Minus times plus will give us what? Will give us minus. Take note. Now 10 times x is what? 10x. The next thing is to collect the like terms. We have 8x squared. No like term to this. So it will remain the same like that. We have minus 40x. There's a like term to minus 14x, which is minus 10x. Then we have plus 60. No like term to plus 60. So it will remain plus 60. So in this case, we have 8x squared. Then we have minus 40x minus 10x. Minus 40 minus 10x. This is something as minus 40x plus minus 10x. And normally when you have 40x plus 10x, it will give us what? 50x. Now minus 40x minus 10x will give us what? Minus 50x. So the middle term will become, that is the combination of these two, we have minus 50x, then plus 60. You can see that the result gives us a quadratic expression. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.